Hello students, this video of nutrition in animals part 2 is brought to you by Aryabhatta National Public School. In this part of the video, we will discuss about the digestion in human beings. How food is digested inside human beings, how it is utilized, and the undigested food is removed from the body. Human beings, like other animals, take food from their mouth. The food is digested inside the body and the undigested food is removed from the body. All these, the digestion, ingestion, digestion, assimilation, and egestion, takes place inside the body. The food taken by mouth travels through the food pipe, stomach, intestine, large intestine, and gets out through the anus. All the five processes in the nutrition, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion, takes place in a continuous canal. When you will see the digestive system of human beings, it starts from the mouth, and from mouth through food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. There is a continuous canal here, and the food taken by the mouth slowly moves inside this canal. From mouth, it goes through the food pipe. After food pipe, it enters the stomach. From a stomach, it goes to the small intestine. From a small intestine, it goes to the large intestine, and after that, the undigested food is removed from the body through anus. This continuous canal by which food enters into the body and the waste gets out is called alimentary canal. The parts of alimentary canal are, when you will see the parts and you will see the sequence, then you will understand what is alimentary canal. From mouth, food enters through the mouth. After mouth, it goes to the food pipe or esophagus. Food pipe is also called esophagus. From food pipe, it goes to the stomach. After stomach, small intestine. After small intestine, it goes to the large intestine. From large intestine, the undigested food is stored in the rectum and it gets out through the anus. All these are parts of the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Now, you can define the alimentary canal, the continuous channel, the continuous canal from mouth to the anus is a part of, all are the parts of alimentary canal. Apart from these alimentary canal, there are some glands also associated with the digestive system, and those glands secretes enzymes for digestion of food. These are salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. These three glands secretes digestive enzymes. That digestive enzymes are used to digest the food. Apart from these glands, the stomach, small intestine also secretes enzymes for digestion of food. The alimentary canal and these glands together form the digestive system. If we are talking about the digestive system, there are a lot of other systems present inside the human body: respiration system, you can say circulation system, like this digestive system. If we talk about digestive system, it includes all the parts from starting from the mouth to anus and all these glands. the liver, salivary gland, and pancreas. Have a look here. This is the part of the mouth. The food enters, it is chewed by the teeth, and then it goes down to the stomach through this pipe. This is called, this is esophagus. It is also called the food pipe. From this food pipe, the food enters into the stomach. Here, this is the stomach. From stomach, it moves to the small intestine. These are small intestines. From this small intestine, the food moves to the large intestine. Large intestine is starting from here till here. This is the large intestine. The undigested food is stored here in the rectum and gets out through the anus. Now let us discuss how food gets digested in the different parts for the different steps of nutrition in human beings. Let us discuss how food gets digested. The first step is ingestion. It is the process of taking food inside the body. As we have earlier discussed, that the food is taken into the body through mouth. When the food is taken inside the mouth, it starts digesting here. The digestion starts from the mouth. The mouth contains teeth, tongue, and the salivary glands. Teeth play an important role in digestion of food. It provides a shape to our mouth also, to our face also. Therefore, it is very important to know about the teeth. There are four kinds of teeth in human beings. The four kinds are, the first one is incisor. The front four teeth in the upper jaw and in the lower jaw are called incisors. The incisors are called cutting or biting teeth. After the four front teeth on the both side, there is one very sharp teeth, and that sharp teeth is called canine. There are four canines in our mouth, two in the upper jaw and two in the lower jaw. These canines are called tearing teeth. After canines, there are two in the both side, left and right in the upper jaw and left and right in the lower jaw. Total 8 teeth. These teeth are called premolars, and after that, 3 in the left side of the upper jaw and 3 in the right side of the upper jaw. Total 6, and 6 in the lower jaw. 12 molars. These premolars and molars are called chewing and grinding teeth. Teeth gets damaged very easily. Teeth are very important. Therefore, we must take care of them. We need to take special care of them. Due to improper cleaning, harmful bacteria grows and produce acid which damages our teeth. For proper cleaning of teeth, we must brush our teeth twice a day. Rinse our mouth after every meal, that the leftover food inside our mouth is get out. When these food items remains inside the mouth, the bacteria grows and releases harmful acids. That acid is very dangerous for our teeth. We should avoid too much sugary food. This is one of the biggest reason in our tooth decay. And at least once a year we should visit a doctor for our whole dental checkup. If we follow these, we can protect our teeth from germs. The next is the tongue. The tongue plays an important role in the digestion of food. It is a muscular organ present in our mouth. There are taste buds on the tongue that helps us to detect the taste, sweet, salty, sour, or bitter taste. The primary function of saliva is sorry, the primary function of tongue is to mix saliva with food. It moists the food and make it easy to swallow. It helps in swallowing of food. Tongue is essential for speaking also. If you will see, this is the shape of the tongue. The taste buds are present everywhere on the tongue. This part, the taste buds present here, detects the bitter taste. The taste buds present here, this side of the tongue, detects the sour taste. And the taste buds present here, it detects the salty and sweet taste. This part salty and this part sweet. The next step is digestion. Digestion of food takes starts from mouth and continues to the stomach and small intestine. These are the places where the food is digested. The digestion of food starts in the mouth. The digestion of food happens in stomach, and the rest part of the food is digested in the small intestine. How food is digested inside the mouth, stomach, and small intestine? Let us discuss. When we take food inside our mouth, the digestion begins. Salivary glands present in mouth secrete saliva. It makes the salivary glands present in mouth secretes saliva. It makes the food moist and breaks down the starch into the sugar. In stomach secretes hydrochloric acid, mucus, and some digestive enzymes. What is the function of hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid kills all the bacterias, harmful bacterias present in our food, and provides a medium for the digestion of the food. Mucus protects the stomach from the action of acid, hydrochloric acid. It can damage, the acid can damage our the stomach. This mucus protects the stomach from the action of hydrochloric acid, and the digestive enzymes break protein present in the food into the simple substances. In the small intestine, it secretes digestive juices and receive it also. Small intestine also receives digestive juices from the liver and pancreas. Liver is the largest gland present in the human body. It secretes bile. Bile is stored in a box that is called gallbladder. And how much bile is required that comes out from the gallbladder for the digestion of food inside the small intestine. These bile breaks down the fat into simpler substances. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juices. These pancreatic juices are required to break carbohydrate, protein, and fat into simpler substances. If you are asked a question that digestion of food, where digestion of food take place, your answer should be that digestion of food takes place in mouth, the digestion of food takes place in stomach, and the digestion of food takes place in small intestine. All the three places, the digestion of takes place in all three places: mouth, s- stomach, and small intestine. After that, absorption. The digested food, when food is converted into the simplest substances, simplest soluble substances, the food is absorbed inside the body. Where these foods are absorbed, it takes place, the absorption of digested food takes place in the small intestine and in the large intestine. For absorption of food in the small intestine, a very special structure is present like this. Now, these special structures are called villi. Villi. Through this, in a small intestine, the food is absorbed into the bloodstream through these villi. These villi, villi, these villi increase the area of absorption. If you see from here to here, if we talk from, if you see here from here to here, this length, and if starting from here, you go here, this length, this is bigger. Therefore, this villi, this structure, this special structure increases the area of absorption in small intestine. Therefore, villis are present. All the absorptions takes place, maximum absorption takes place in the small intestine. Only water and some salts are absorbed in the large intestine. If you talk about absorption, Absorption take place in small intestine and large intestine. If you talk about digestion, digestion takes place in mouth, small stomach, and small intestine, and absorption in small intestine and large intestine. After that, assimilation. This absorbed food is transported to different organs and utilized by the body cells with the help of oxygen for producing energy. And the undigested food is removed from the body in the form of stool, passed out through the passed out of the body through the anus. This is all in this part. We'll discuss rest in the next part of the video. Thank you.